I wasn't going to stream today, but I streamed today. I didn't think I was going to. But look at us now. Look at us. Surprise stream. It surprised me even. Okay, I'm surprised. We're not going to probably do much for prime time today. We're going to be doing some work, but you never know. There might also be a little bit of prime time. We might look at the stuff that's going on. I thought there was no stream today. Normally, there's not a stream today. Prime, you read my blog the other day. Are you going to post a video? What is the blog? Doing work, called it. I know I wasn't supposed to stream today, but I really want to check out something. Okay. Hey, what's up, you two? Give me your blue crowns, you two, right now. Hey, give them to me. Am I allowed to yell that? Am I not allowed to do that? Oh my goodness, my beautiful wife is calling me. Yellow beautiful wife.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Speaking of Costco, my Costco card has some money to redeem. Finally caught a stream. I know it's a really weird time right now. You are late. No, first off, I'm not late. Why does she call you when you live in the same house? I'm in a different area. Software development. Where's the Minecraft 2.0? Yeah, make software games anyways. Hello. Hi. Hey, thank you very much. Yabiajin. Benji. Thank you. Oh, didn't we already sell the array versus linked list debate and its cache locality? Well, yeah, but so that's the thing is I'm going to try it out in JavaScript, dog. And by the way, Shelltastic. Oh, whoa. Ooh, oh, whoa. Who knows? Who knows ho? Wait, what? Okay, that last one I did not. No one's doing hag nap. Welcome. Thank you very much for the tier 1 2 months. Let's go. M Jewel, hello. How you doing? 33 months. Holy cow. Acoolistics, thank you. And Flip 314. Great name. 6 months in advance. Hell yeah. They know. Let's go. Thank you. Yeah, I know exactly. Yeah, exactly. We don't even know what's going to happen in JavaScript. We don't know what's going to happen. By the way, for the next couple weeks, you might start seeing 2 videos a day coming out of the prime time for a little while. Okay? Just saying. Might just start happening. Yeah. It happened today. It happened yesterday. And it's happening for a week straight. I have them all ready to go right now.
Welcome to Costco.
Double prime. Yeah. Arsalan. Hey, are you going to review Seuss's article? I did. Seuss's article is just corpo speak. All it is just like, hey, we believe in the free enterprise of free software, and we're going to support it by millions of dollars. Right? Prime has 2 courses for FEM, Algos, and JS Performance. Yeah, they're coming up. So I'm just kind of doing a little bit of I'm doing a little bit of investigation. By the way, I love this song. Are you guys ready for this? Hey, at Seek Me Daddy, how you doing? Is this song I work for Seuss? Wanted to see your feedback. Oh, I read it yesterday. I read it live. Hey, who's that Teach guy? Oh, dude, that Teach guy was so good. 7 months just for you, Daddy. Well, thank you very much. Late stream, early stream, mid stream. Nobody knows what kind of stream we've done. What's FEM? Front End Masters. FEM. Shifu. Nice. Well done. Prime is a classic femboy. I am. I've done a lot of work with fem, so therefore I am a femboy. Okay? Arrays. Static allocation versus dynamic allocation. What class of comparison? We're going to be doing, this is an impossible question to answer when you're actually in. Vector is not a linked list. Vectors are not linked lists. Automated. Holy cow! You've rated me. Is that Pizza Sleaze? Damn, we got some heavy hitters in chat today. We got Teach. We got Pizza Sleaze. We got Chelstastic, and we got Automated. By the way, Automated, huge shout out. I don't know if you know this, but Automated just seriously helped me out. I did some YouTube streams, and Automated hooked me up with some software. Awesome streamer. He has this thing where they're like shaving soap. He has videos of soap cutting or something like that going on. I'm over there getting all sweaty and bothered watching his stream, just like, yeah, shave that soap. Oh yeah. And I like watched it for an hour of them cutting soap, dude. It's just crazy. I can't even believe it. Soap cutting, it got me. You gotta watch it. It's so good. He's programming soaps being cut. He's doing Astro instead of S. You know what I mean? Like, wow. All the good stuff. Pick nose. Mogul moves. Yeah, dude, he does. When are you going to upload the Python blog reading? Oh, that is set for about a week out.
Welcome to Costco.
That's set for a week out. Trading Peter, thank you. Here. I'll give you some stuff. All right, so we got this one. We got C's biggest mistake. Python sucks and I love it. Engineering, I still have to name that one. Memory allocations. Creator of Go. Hardest part of software. Richest forks JS. Stop being a junior software engineer. This one. So I got 2 on 13, 2 the next day, 2 the next day, 2 the next day. Then I just have these for one per day. And so then tomorrow when I do another regularly scheduled stream, I will stack all of these. And once I get like a week and a half ahead, I'll start doing 3 a day. You know what I mean? I just always want to kind of have like I want to have a little buffer, because I want to be able to leave. I'm not somebody that's like, I got to do these things. I want to do these things. Go Lang, more like good Lang.
Welcome to Costco.
Anyways, yeah, I've been grinding, literally. Nice clickbait on Python. It's literally like the article. Hey, thanks for inspiring me to be more productive and give the best and never settle. Well, thank you, Goofy the Goofball. That is what we're here for, TJ. I like having Warren buffering as well. Should I get buffering on to react with me? Illuvian. Thank you, Illuvian. Illuvian! Appreciate it. What Linux distro to use? Yeah, have to ask. It's too expensive. Okay. Good to take breaks. Big fan of buffers of all kinds. Yeah, big fat banana. Give it to me, big fat banana. Azus, thank you. Teach me how to write it good, Daddy. I will. Okay, Feline D's nuts. Thank you very much. Holy cow. Of course, arrays is faster. Well, I said JavaScript. Okay, I said JavaScript. So JavaScript. Oh my goodness, Azu! You do. Look at this, Azu. I'm not moving my hands. I refuse. Azu! I love when you do the subscribe, then the follow. Joshua the Zealot, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Hey, it's Skay. Well, hey, thank you very much, Skay. Appreciate that. Java Scrolls, Java suck it. Thank you for follow. Oh my goodness, Joshua. Oh my goodness, Joshua. Hey, it's Rabs. You followed like 3 days ago. And now you're finally following now. Oh my goodness, my gracious. What is happening? Okay, we're getting multiple. Of course it is fast. Will this stream about, let's see, will this stream about unnecessary premature optimizations that I'm here for? No, it's about writing non-pessimistic code, right? This is a term from Casey Maratari. I think he's really, he has some really cool stuff. Just unfollow and refollow. You don't get the notification when you do that. I think. Sometimes you get the notification. There used to be this person that'd do it like regularly. Better to bash on JS than JS and bash. Facts. I'm always looking for ways to learn some new programming concepts just for fun. I have no ideas what to implement or where to start. Yeah, well, that's what you got to do. So you just write, yeah, but linked lists aren't indexed, which means you can't use them in a tree structure. Or am I poop? Wait, what the actual are you talking about? Okay, heaps are the only tree-like structure that uses an array that I know about. Are you telling me there's more? Am I dumb? Am I a dum-dum? You can tease them about our big project. Ooh. So, TJ, are we going to Adams? I'd also like to extend you guys to come to my place as well. That is an option. Like, we can either all go to Adams, or you guys can come to my place. I have lots of rooms. I think Adam has lots of room. I will buy you guys beer and food and, wine, all that stuff. They made us write trees using arrays. Yo, I'm on my way, Prime. Can I come? No. Just follow to get notified about updates for the Chad stack plus HTMX integrations. Hell yeah. For those jumping on conclusions, we're talking about language. This is sorted. Wait, what? How goofy are we feeling today? All of it. Hey, Prime, why did the linked list go to therapy? Because it had trouble letting go of its head.
It's a night.
I'm not upset.
Welcome to Costco.
I'm not upset.
I love you.
I'm not upset, but I'm not impressed. I want you to know that right now. You need the gift of sub for that nonsense. Yogurt natural in New York. Thank you very much for the sub. I appreciate that. The same Black Cat. Thank you for the gifted sub. Aren't Java Lizzie? There's a that's a warning for a band. It is a warning for a band. When I'm not impressed, the next thing is your band. Okay, it goes. I'm impressed by you. You're statistically average. You out. Okay, there's nothing else. There's nothing else. Deno review. I don't have anything to do with Deno. Java has linked lists, but it also has other lists. This is true. It's true. And I also, oh my goodness, hydridity. Thank you very much. I'm statistically out. I also have an affinity for not banning people who make good jokes, okay? Following a few months, just learning the code, really appreciate the invite. Hey, no problem. Outperforming imperative with pure functional languages. Okay, cool. I'm statistically average. Yep, you can do that. Just Vic, hey, did you wait?
Welcome to Costco.
Did you wait? Wait! What the hell just happened there? Fighting Pleb, thank you very much. Hey, thank you, Just Vic, for the community sub. Appreciate that. I thought I could be statistically average, but I like C++. You're definitely not statistically average. Yes, trees can be created with an arrays.
Costco.
I mean, but that's the thing is, it's only certain things. When you say trees can be created with arrays, that's only like super specifically, right? You're talking about a very specific type of tree. You're not talking about trees. You're talking about binary tree. I guess you could also do a Fibonacci tree, but you have to have some sort of growth pattern in which you can calculate the offset of every single node, right? So you can't just have like a general tree. Yeah, you meant binary search trees? Binary trees. You don't have to have it as a search tree, right? It has to be, you don't have to have it a fixed size. You can always copy and grow. You know what I mean? Does it mean we all degenerate group about to be banned? Absolutely. But you just subscribe, so you're not degenerate. You're a great guy. Martin Walsh, thank you very much. And One Wobbly Badger, thank you very much. And Fightin' Pleb, let's go! Hey, Prime, holy cow. Pineapple Gong coming in Tier 2. And Master Record.
Welcome to Costco.
Brand new.
I love you.
Brand new. Does it have to be? No, it can also be like a Fibonacci growth. It just has to be a defined tree. So technically you could do with anything, right? If you wanted to be able to do a trinary tree, you could do a trinary tree, right? You can store anything in a binary in which you can calculate its children. Wait, you can store any tree in an array, not a binary, that you can calculate its offset. Why linked list? Just pre-allocate all of your RAM as a void pointer and manage your own memory. Hell yeah, girl. Hell yeah, girl. Thank you, Anonymous, with whomever you are. You beautiful, beautiful baby. Butt picker, hell yeah, butt picker. Get that finger in there. Tell me something you don't like about React.js render functions. Why do you compare arrays versus linked lists? Because we're going to compare a lot of things. We're going to compare a lot of things. We're going to compare a lot of things. Hey, KGC13. Is JS undefining variables normal? Why not? You can. Why do you? Question mark. I do. That's why. Hobbiton, thank you very much. Welcome. I thought trees. Thoughts on trees, Prime? They're great. I'm confused. What are you confused about? Favorite Vim motion? DAP. Right? I got rejected at an interview because during the data structures and algorithms part, they asked me how a red-black tree node rotations work exactly, and I couldn't answer. Is that commonly asked place? No. I've never been asked this question. Honestly, I don't know how red-black trees. I know that there's like coloring, and based on certain colorings, like you have two reds within some sort of grandparental relationship. It flips the flop and it flops the flips. I don't know. Something like that. AVL is a little bit easier. That's a hard ass question for sure. Yeah, most people. What's a red black tree? It's a self-organizing tree that's not as efficiently organized as an AVL tree, but an AVL tree is a bit more computationally expensive. A dictionary does use an array of lists, correct? Typically. The best answer is, when was the last time you coded AVL triggers? Yeah, AVL tree is at least understandable for humans. It is. AVLs do trigger, though. How can you store any tree in an array? No, you can only store certain sized trees in an array. Right? You can only store trees in which you can calculate the offset of the children. Right? A hash map is an array of lists. It is. What's the best way to implement hash maps as an array of lists? Got them. Linked lists are great for certain things. It's used in kernel for keeping track of a lot of things. This is true. If you have to be tight on memory, an array, a linked list can be better. Right? I don't think that's true about AVL. AVL always has a tighter rotations. AVL rotates almost immediately. AVL has the 4 cases in which it does tree rotations, which almost always result in optimal rotated trees. But it costs a lot to do it. If you ever look at a red-black tree, it's not nearly as nicely organized. How is JS map implemented? That I have no idea. I assume it's just like a standard map. It's not a standard map. It stores... It's going to be the same thing. It's going to be some memory space in which has a bunch of pointers to JS boxed values, right? You can also store array entries. This is true. You can also store a tree in a tree. Linked lists are required for games. Any idea why? Unsure. I'm not sure if they're explicitly required. I can't say what he must mean something. I don't know what he means. What is a JS box value? Everything's a box value. Hey, S. Gabriel, thank you very much. If you think about it, when you go into JavaScript and you create a new value like this is actually a boxed value, right? Because it has to be stored. It's created in C++, remember that. So JavaScript is just C++ syntax sugar in some sense. It's going to create it. It's going to hold on to it. And the engine needs to be able to hold on to this value based on some sort of type, and then it can do some sort of sweet operation on the memory underneath it. But nonetheless, there's some box value that's like box T, right? And so it's a JS value, I think is typically what they're called. It's just a value that holds on to something, that points to something in which they can do something with. You know what I mean? You always want a list. It can be most effective if it's an intrusive list. Yeah, my guess is that stacks are best. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually reproduce something. Okay, we're gonna reproduce something that I'm pretty excited about. We're gonna call this the Bjarn. What's a creator of C++? How do you spell his name? Bjarn. The Bjarn. Okay, so he has this video. Oh my goodness. He had this video, right, where he did this thing where he did a little competition. We'll just call it index.ts, everyone's least favorite thing, where he did this thing where he created a linked list versus an array, and he said, hey, guess, and he does this little thing where you pick some random number in it and you remove it from anywhere within the list. Which one's going to perform faster? So here's the basic outline of it all, is it's going to look like this. You're going to have an array of items, right? You're going to also have a series of linked lists of items, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to pick some random number somewhere within here, and we're going to go to it and remove it. Now, I've been thinking about this for a little bit, which means that with a linked list, you have to walk to the location, right? And then whenever you find it, you then take it and you have to remove it. Slice, slice, right? Pretty straightforward. Now, with an array, you can obviously instantly offset into that exact same position, but when you remove it, you have to walk all the way this way, moving things over by 1. Random element chosen by index. Okay? So this was the challenge he produced, which was, which one do you think is faster, the linked list or the array? Now, to the chagrin of everybody, the linked list was like a linear growth, but the linked list was like way higher, and the array was way smaller. So we're just gonna see, can we reproduce it in JavaScript, right? Now, I'm sure there's ways we can, but we're gonna see. It depends on the size of the data stored. Cache equals good. Yeah. So, anyways. All right, so let's go like this. Let's have ourselves do one of these little things. Let's have ourselves do a little function and go create array size number. Actually, let's go like this. Create data, and we're gonna have the amount of size, and we're gonna have this. Let's go const. Let's see, function create node, and this is gonna return a value number. Value, next, null, previous, null, why not, fi, let's go like that, next and prev. It just feels good that way. I like it. It's a doubly linked list. Do you want to do a doubly or a singly? We're going to start with a doubly, okay? Next, we got to be able to remove these things. Function, cut. We're just going to take in a node, and we're going to cut this thing out, okay? Yeah! Right? And so let's go like this. Node.previous const prev equals this. We're gonna go const next equals node next. Oh crap! And we have this thing. So type. I don't know what to call this thing. A list node, right? You can't call it a node because a node already has a definition, right? This already has a definition, so you have to call it that. A value. Did I really want to do all these generics? Am I being an asshole right now? I feel like I'm just being a jerk. Should I just make this not worrying about that? Am I being pedantic? Okay. All right, there we go. Hey. All right, there we go. It's gonna be that or null. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so there we go. So we're running in JavaScript. Will the performance dependent of the position chosen, right? Yes. So that is a question. We don't know best here, but zero. But you're also not quite. If you don't change value to data and have them all line up, you're gonna give me a heart attack. What? Create node? No, create data. Just hold on. Just TJ. Just let it happen. Give me a second here, okay? Give me a second, okay? If a previous, that means previous next equals next, okay? If next. Why did you do that, Trading Peter? Why was my volume lower? Trading Peter? Hey, anybody would like to take a guess what this green liquid is that I'm drinking? If only there was a company out there who would like to be able to sponsor somebody with whom is drinking green liquid on stream. If I could just think of any company that could do it. I don't know of any company. Oh, thank you for the 25 gifted subs, Crimson. You seem like a guy who could also use some green liquid. If only there was a company that could sponsor me. Does anybody know any names? AG? What's AG? I guess I'll never know, and neither will you. Can someone clip that? Crimson Mana, thank you so much for that. Let's go. Thank you so much. Linode Juice, can someone do Crimson? Trading Peter, stop it. All right. Can you do that? We're gonna try, guys. We're gonna try to get a sponsorship with Athletic Greens. Okay? Can somebody please clip that? Can somebody clip it and put it in the chat right now? Okay. Budweiser sponsorship incoming. I don't want to look like their stock price. Got him. Got him. Stocks. You drinking some Raid Shadow Legends? Looks delicious. No one's gonna clip that for me. Y'all are a bunch of dickheads. Budweiser's a punishment, not sponsorship. Plus, who'd want to drink Bud Light anyways? Wow. Hey, bros, you want to come drink some Bud Light with me? You want to play some GameCube and drink some Natty Ice? That's called old internet reference, and it's not appropriate. Mario Bin, thank you for the 20 gifted subs. Let's go. Does who here knows what I'm referencing when I say Natty Ice and GameCube? Thank you. My goodness, Mario. PS2? No. It's GameCube. The trade sponsorship is not implemented for the Primeagen. Where's Luigi? Out there who would like to be able, if only there was a company out there, neither will you. Okay, perfect. Yo, okay, this is nuts. Mario Bin, Crimson Mana, my boy Peter. What the hell's going on? Stop it. Okay, let's download this. Really? This is how you're gonna let me download it? Cool. You know what I've always wanted to do? When I click the download button, I like to jump over to I like to jump over here, and I like to do that. I like to curl it, and then I want to be able to actually save that out to AG. Oh, but then I don't move it. Move AG to, I don't know, what is it? AG.move? What the hell is the format? I don't know what the format is. Move AG.move to, I don't know, AG.mpeg me daddy. Is it MPEG-4? What is it? MP4, there you go. Okay, what the hell's going on? Mario. It's me, Mario. Hey, Mario, why you gotta do that, Mario? Thank you, Mario. I appreciate that. I guess it's time for me to make an exceptionally stereotypic Italian accent now. Hey, Mario, why do you gotta be scared of me? Mario, it's me, Luigi. Why you gotta be like this? Perché, Mario. And now, canceled. You're not a front-end dev, I guess. Dude, Crimson Mana. I heard they took that out in a remake. Because when I played, that's what I thought they said. So long, Gay Bowser. Like, I thought that's what he said. I honestly thought that's what they said. I think I have a respectable corporate sponsorship. You'd probably have to banish half the viewers to the Shadow Realm if they, from which they spawned. Yep. Did you guys think that too? Like, I thought that's what they said. False Man, thank you. Gifting us up to Emacs. What a name. They took it out on the re-release. That's right. They made it more obvious.
Give me the meat.
Well, Flip314. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I'm an Italiana, and I'm offended by this. I'm an Italiano, and I'm offended by this. We don't talk like that. Yes. Canceled. Any run. Here we go. File. Personal. We're taking it personal. JavaScript performance, right? Did I get this thing? Okay, Mario. Okay, I did get it right. It's an MP4, I guess. Mario. Okay, Mario. What are you doing? Mario, what are you doing? Okay, this actually is crazy. What are you doing? You shouldn't. There just comes a point where you just can't do that. Dang it. I hate the fact that I cannot tag people on a video that's uploaded on the computer. Oh, well. If only we knew anyone that could sponsor a green drink. All right, whatever. Oh, okay, Mario. That's 100 gifted subs, Mario. Everybody tell Mario to chill out. Mario, Mario! That's super what you're doing right now. That's a Super Mario move right now. $500 per month! All right. Anyone, please go like this. Maybe you guys could maybe tag your favorite green drink person, because I don't know any. Those super shrooms are doing their bit, yeah. Go help Luigi. Go help me, Luigi. Thank you very much. If only there was a green drink. Mario, thank you. Thank you, Mario. I appreciate that. 100 gifted subs. You may, by the way, sit down. You may sit down and take a break.
I love you.
Pepperoni all around. Pepperoni. Mario had a good run. A good day at the pizzeria today. He had some under 30-minute deliveries. It's obvious. All right, are you guys ready for this one? Mario got that auto pay blast. Thank you. Hey, say hello in Russian. Hello there, little man. I will make hello to you right now. Do I do good Russian accent? No. No, I do not do good Russian accent. But I make good Russian face. I make a good Russian face. I make Pole Russian accent. Let's do this. Okay, let's get back to this. Okay, here we go. What did I just do? In Mother Russia, computer program you. In Mother, did you guys make sure you tag your favorite green drink sponsorship? Mountain Dew, Dr. Pepper, Oracle, Drink Agent. You guys ass liquid? Okay, I see that. No, I see that no one actually wants me to get a sponsorship. That's cool. I thought maybe we might have something. You know, maybe we could, as like a team, like me and all of you, we could make it happen. But I see that that's not the case. I see that that's not what we want to have happen. I told you, Shadow Realm. I know. It's the Shadow Realm, dude. I see what you're saying, Judo. I see what you're saying. Ass liquid, I know. Maybe you could get a sponsorship from Prime. That would work. Yeah, I just don't want to drink that. Hey, kids! You want to bang your veins full of some tar? All out of cocaine? Well, I got you something right now for your fix. Prime Energy. All right, maybe you can get a Prime Video sponsorship. Now that, on the other hand. Okay, guys, Lithium. Lithium. If you haven't gifted 3,000 subs, I would be upset right now. Okay, I'm trying to program. Okay? 4,000 subs. My bad. 4,000 subs. If you haven't gifted 4,000 subs, I would be very upset right now. Thank you very much. Good Lord, what is happening here? Nobody knows what's happening. Okay, you guys ready?
Oh, that scared me.
Sprees! IRS has entered the chat. Stop it! Stop it! All right. Okay, guys. Hey, this has been a great joke. I'm happy that you guys have all just done this. Apologies. I know. You actually have no idea. And genuinely, I'm thankful. Thank you so much. I've had a recent life change in my head. And I'm changing ways I'm doing things. And so, thank you very much. I appreciate that. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right, so we got the create data. What we're going to do is we're actually just going to create a linked list size of some amount, okay? So here we go. We're going to go like this. We're going to go for let I go const r equals new array size. Let's go. Yeah. Fill. Why not 0? Who cares? We don't care about how this thing goes. I don't think you have to do that, right? R equals this. We're also going to go like this. Const value equals, why not a little math? We don't have to do a math.random. We don't even have to do it. We'll just call it I. Why not? Let's just call it I. And then we're going to go like this. Create data. Wait, it's not called create data. It's called create node. Okay, FD. Node. Oh, no. We'll create an I, and we're going to go like this. Const, let's see, let current equals, what do we call this thing? Create node 0. And let's start at 1. There we go. Let current equals this. That means current.next equals create node. Current equals current.next. How does that sound? We'll walk it through. This is looking good. Return our current. Let's go. So now let's do a little bit of a titty test. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? Kronos 100K. Thank you very much. A rare sight when he is programming. Not actually at all. I program 3 to 4 nights a week on Twitch. Okay, it's just during the day I don't do programming, but today we're doing programming. We don't care about that. Oh, back references. Ooh, back references. Yes. Yes. Yes, Daddy. There we go. Okay, that makes sense. Thank you. Get that guy out. Rip off his balls and get him out. Okay, calm down. Okay, Peter. P-Dog. I just wanted to let you know, Peter, this entire time I've actually been underneath the stall programming. Yeah, I'm laying on my back. I have a chair right side up. My feet are on it, and I'm sitting here programming, okay? That's why I could instantly change to looking at you. You probably didn't notice me sitting here, but I've been here this whole time, Peter. And I would just like to let you know that if you're ever down trading, Peter, I got some trades we could make. You guys, oh, where's the scam train? I don't know where the scam train is. Hell, you have to return the head, not the tail. Fudge! The man's right! What am I doing? All right, there we go. So now let's do some tests, okay? Let's do some tests. All right, so let's go like this. Function. Let's do a little test. The test is going to take in an array. It's going to take in a head. It's going to take in a count. Are you ready for this one? All right, there we go. So pretty easy. This is going to be a number array. This is going to be an L node or just an L node. And this is going to be a number. And what we're going to do is we're going to go like this. For let I.
That scared me.
Welcome to Costco. I love
SP
you.
Steph, thank you for the 6 months. What the heck? What actually is this? Okay, this is what actually is happening here, SP Steph. Okay, Austin Gnomes, Austin Gnomes, Austin Gomez. I thought your name was Austin Gnomes, and it's not Austin Gnomes. Okay, I'm a little flustered right now. I'm a little flustered. Okay, I'm a little flippity flustered. Blue Hair Day, 2K subs. He said it. Austin Gnomes, I would just like to say thank you very much. There is nothing I can do to show my appreciation to you guys other than you guys bullying me into actually dyeing my hair blue and pretending to be Ninja. Do I need to shit on people? Because I did see Ninja got drunk on stream and said a lot of really horrible things about people. Do I need to do that too? I mean, if I'm going to be Ninja, I got to kind of lean in and do this.
Welcome to Costco.
Oh, Sprees. Why do you got to do that, Sprees? Oh, my goodness. Ninja Prime Destiny went. Yeah, No, be the good guy. No, Sprees, thank you very much. Austin Gnomes, trading Peter. Dang. You guys. All right. Okay. Okay, it's time for the training to begin. I'm going to become the greatest ninja ever. The hard part, you need to stop cursing first. Go through that phase. This is a multi-phased approach. We need the PG guy, then the talk shit over everyone guy. Well, I need every single time I kill somebody, I have to just get after it and just go nuts. Welcome to Fortnite. Like, I don't know how much. I don't know all of his motions yet because I've literally never watched. I don't watch Ninja, so I don't know what he does other than he says like stupid things like that. That's all I know. And then he tells everybody, and then he makes fun of other people for falling off. Did you see that? I'm not really into the whole Twitch drama thing because that's so stupid. But I like Asmongold, and Asmongold did a video on it, and it was just like Ninja making fun of smaller content creators for playing Fortnite or some shit like that. Nobody knows. I mean, does anyone have any idea what's happening? That's like me making fun of smaller people for programming on stream, right? Like, it makes no sense. Oh, yeah, okay, finite singularity. Hey, good job programming finite singularity. So it's like, ooh, bitch, what are you doing? Okay, maybe I do it too. Mario Ben, thank you very, very much for the 20 again. I don't know why you gotta do that. And Master Record, let's go. Ninja's just a douche. As far as I can tell, that's his character. Thank you very, very much, Master Record. I appreciate that. Gifting me it. I hope to give it to you raw. All right, here we go. Okay, Mario Bin, that's 140, if I'm not mistaken, for the day. You got it. Slow it down. Slow it down, Mario Bin. You proved it, okay? No, you tossed Bowser, okay? You called him some sort of slur and tossed him, just like classic N64. And now look at me, okay? You want me to dress up like the princess? Is that what you're asking from me? I don't even get it. So long, Bowser. How many gifts? What the hell? Yeah, dude. Thank you very much, Mark. You don't have to. You guys ready to do this? You guys ready to do this? Man's popping off gunshots like he's starting a war on your channel, dude. He is. Thank you, Mario. We're ready. I do mean it though. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody.
That scared me.
I can't kind of do that kind of math anymore, okay? Stop it, Mario. Mario, you've done so much. Mario.
Welcome to Costco.
Angus Miguel, thank you very much. And it's Pakrat.
And give it to me.
It's Packrat. Pakrat. It's Pakrat.
That scared me.
People. What is this? OnlyFans? There you go. You want that? Oh, look at that space. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. I can grab my shoe.
That scared me.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
That's for you.
That scared me.
All right. Oh no, that's definitely not that. Someone's gonna see this. Someone from my job is gonna see this, and they're gonna be like, "So, why were people giving you money as you took off your shoes? Should I be concerned? Should I be concerned about what happened here?"
I love you.
Clip and ship it straight to my boss, Chris Wine at Netflix. All right. First off, I owe many thank yous. Hey, neighbors, thank you for the resubscribe. CR17, my robot man, dude, you've been around. Literally, you're like one of my earliest people on the channel. Thank you so much. Spinward, thank you for the Twitch Prime 12 months, and Mario again. Stop it, Packrat. Thank you, Sprees. Angus Miguel, let's go, Mario. Mario. That's so many Mario.
Welcome to Costco.
Thank you, Mario. I
you.
appreciate that. End style, thank you. Let's go. Many appreciations. Just say you needed a second job on OnlyFans. We getting the feet train going? Apparently we are. Okay, we can do this. You guys ready? Let's go.
Give me the meat and give it to me raw.
$200, everybody. That's 200. Everyone, that's 200. Can we just clap? Oh no, Spreeze, that is 60. Spreeze, you gotta stop. No, that's Spreeze, that's 100. You gotta stop. Okay, guys, we don't need this. Okay, this is not meant to be on the internet. Okay, this is not meant to be on the internet. This is not meant. I'm sweating, guys. Guys, stop it. This is not meant to be on the internet. Okay, this is not an internet picture. This is absolutely inappropriate. Okay, this is absolutely inappropriate. Absolutely inappropriate. Please don't do that. Okay. By the way, this is your dad. Better save that image. Me. Better take that. They probably can't do that. Let's make sure we put this up on the internet. Guys, completely inappropriate. Okay, completely inappropriate. Don't ever do that, okay?
It's a night.
Disgusting. Luando, thank you very much. I appreciate that. All right, are you ready to go? We're going to move forward. Let's do this. Luando, thank you very much. Okay, people, let's go. Let's do a little test. We're going to go like this. Okay, I didn't want all of that. What we're going to do is we're going to go like this. Const. Let's see. Const. Let's go back. All right, there we go. We're gonna go like this. Let's go like this. Let's go index, get rando array.length. That should work with both of them. So now what we need to do is we need to cut that thing out. So we're gonna go like this. I guess cut. We can go like this. We can go like this. Index, right? Why not, right? So we can go like this. Head equals this. Index equals number. And then we can go like this. Let current equals head. Let node equals head. While index is greater than 0, go right here. And we should be able to go like that. Bam, 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 right? That should be good. Node is not this. It is actually this. Let's have an L node or a null.
It turns all your bad feelings into good feelings. It's a night.
Fudge! Fudge, people! Why lithium? Lithium, is it because Spreeze just did a gifted 1 sub? Is that what happened? He did 1 gifted sub and you dropped a 20 banger right on his face? Spreeze! This is not a fight worth winning. What can I say? I went on a spree. Here, let me help you with your sushi dancer. There you go. Learning Vim with Vim Be Good. What is a good speed on HJK&L? I don't know. HJK&L is just meant to make you feel comfortable. You shouldn't have to think. How does that sound? Being in Netflix, have you worked on Java projects? Yeah. I've never worked on Hystrix or Zool, though. Hey, thank you very much, Lith. Thank you very much, Mario. Thank you very much, Spreeze, Trading Peter. Goodness gracious, Austin Gnomes. I know it's Austin Gnomes. Thank you, Wee Me.
Welcome to Costco.
You're not a Wee Me.
you.
Don't ever talk about yourself like that, okay? Don't ever talk about yourself that way, okay? Let's go like this. Let's see. All right, so let's go like this. So now that we got that, this is our cut. So we'll just do something pretty straightforward, okay? We're just going to do something pretty straightforward, okay? We're going to go like this. Do we want to do this? I'm not going to make it generic. Fudge it. Fudge it. We're not going to make it generic. Let's start equals date.now, console.log, and our, let's see, cut timings, date.now, there we go, minus this. GC, let's see. I know, hold on. There's a way to enable it as well. There's a way to enable this, I swear, as well. Go into here. This VS Code plugin, this user looks weird. Okay, I don't need all this crap. I just give me the how to like import. How to import V8 GC node. I swear, okay, hold on. Where's the thing? I don't want to do, okay, so this is the one I want right here. It looks like this, I know that. You don't even have to do that. You can turn it on. Enable trace GC, enable no trace GC. Dang it, where the hell is the thing? Does anyone have the link? Does anyone have the link? I can use console time, that's fine. Does anyone have the link? Link me. I know I have this. There's a way to do garbage collection. Is it really this? I don't want to print out events. I don't want to do... No. Damn it. Okay, here. I know, dude, I have it. I know I have it, I just can't remember where it's at. No, there's an import statement. No, you don't need to do this expose GC. There's actually a way just to make it happen. Let's see, turn on garbage collection method programmatically. I think there's two M's in there. Programmatically Node.js. Yes, it is. No. It is. There it is. That's the one I'm looking for. Expose GC. That's right. Function. I swear there's two require statements. I'm a little bit confused why there's not two require statements. You know what I mean? Something makes me a little bit nervous about this, but whatever. Okay, tough guy. We're missing something. I just don't know what it is. Okay, Laos. Is this a night or daytime stream? We're doing a nighttime stream during the daytime. Thank you very much. Okay, that looks better. I thought there's two import statements, right? There's two import statements. Hey, again, baby cakes. Why you gotta be like this? Okay? You know I'm just a man. You know I'm just a man that wants to call you beautiful. There we go. We got it. Okay, perfect. We can do console time. How do you use this thing again? It's label. Okay. So I just do it twice, right? Did I get that correct? I think I just get it correct, right? I think I just got that correct. All right, so do this. Instead of that, we can go...
goes out to the Primeagen.
Oh, my goodness. Okay, guys. Laos, why did you do a 20 plus a 17? That's 37. Quick math. See that math? That math was quick. What does cut do? You look different. Yeah, I look like a sexy man. Is that what you're asking? Or did you just notice because of the extreme erection I have right now? That is my sitting pattern is like extremely erect. Okay. The Sexagen, huh? Huh? Okay, guys, thanks. Okay, guys, thanks. It'd be nice to test Bun and Dino. No. Dino would make no difference. Dino makes literally no difference. Bun would make a difference because you got Core.js, right? You actually have a different runtime. You have a different JavaScript engine, okay? How do you keep all of this up when you have a kid? You're such an inspiration. I just get really, really excited. And a little bit of Cocaña. Okay, I'm joking about the Cocaña. Don't actually take that seriously, please. I would hate it if people actually thought that was real. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna joke. Hey! Mario! Mario, why did you gotta do that? Now you making me feel like I gotta go save a princess at the beach. I think Mario is most certainly, or Mario's just like, dude, if I can just keep getting him to do this, he's gonna dig himself a hole. The sex, Mario, please don't give me any more money. Is your home office soundproof? It is. Cocaine and Green Drink, hell yeah. Do you think Green Drink sponsorship actually responded to me? Okay, well, I'm glad that one went far. Did Green Drink sponsorship me?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Did they sponsorships me? Drink. Dr. Pepper, AG1, Oracle Drink, Mountain Dew, KSI, Need Our Prime. Oh gosh, don't give it to me. Don't do it. What is this image of? What happened to the poor man's? Let's go ass liquid. Colon health is important. Ugh. Man, I could go for some drink, AG. I know, hate Def Conto. Thank you very much. Mario literally saying, take my money and shut up. AG1 is amazing. Yeah, I know. I'm hoping that they notice me. Okay, AG1 working for you? They're not. I'm writing a snippet manager with my Leptos and Torso. You've influenced me. Influencer. Oh, thank you. Do you like Torso?
Welcome
thank
to Costco.
You. Do you like Torso? Mapacheni. Why don't you come out with your own product line? Do you consume caffeine? Yeah, I do in the morning. Okay, let's keep on going. So there we go. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so let's go like this. Let's go 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 for each. That's my size, okay? And I'm going to remove 10% of them, okay? So let's go like this. Let's go create data. Yeah. This looks good. What's wrong with this? Wait. Why is that thing any? That thing is not any. This is what happens when you don't return type your return types. Okay, it's so stupid. Just
welcome to Costco. I love you.
Hey, everybody, is it any? No, it's not.
Welcome to Costco.
All right, so let's just do a quick, easy test. Let's see if there's a there. So this is called the there test, okay? We're not actually going for a full test. We're not actually going to go see, is this thing really, truly? I'm not going to really be able to say much more than just a little bit. I'm doing a there test, okay? Does that make sense? Does everyone understand that? Let's just make sure that the garbage collections and everything, I didn't goof it up. I did not goof that up. Oh, I see what happened. Let's try that again. There's always a goof up possible. You can always goof something up possibly. Also, look at the difference right here. Look at the difference already. See, this is one reason why micro benchmarks are just so hard to even put. Okay, so it turns out actually this one was running worst case scenario every single time. Is anybody surprised by that? Oh, TSC, you're right. TSC. It makes more sense. We're not removing from the deep front. Is that surprising to everybody? Traversing a linked list is astronomically more expensive. Astronomically more expensive. What does cut do? Cut's very, very simple. Cut gets to the node in question, traverses the list to the point, removes it. That's it. I mean, technically, we could do something like this where we're like node.prev equals null and node.next equals null, right? We could null out those little pointers, right? That might actually somehow make it worse. Cut is faster than array? Nah, it's about 10x slower. Why are you bad at programming? Okay, I must have done something wrong. So this is good. Maybe I goofed this up. All right, hold on. Let's look at this. Okay, so what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Okay, good. This is good that we're looking at this. Okay, so node equals these things, so whatever node is, right? So node starts off at head, and then we walk it forward while index is greater than 0. And then if node is not there, we say, why are you bad at programming? So I'm bad at programming. We get the previous and the next. We grab out those two references. If there is a previous, then we take previous next and set it to next. If there is a next, we say the next, we go next previous equals previous. And then we take our node and set those two to null. We break the doubly linked list. Does that make sense? What am I missing here? Let's go like this. Let's just try this. Console log. Let's go like this. Removing index. Right? Let's do that. Has node question mark? Node double bang. TSC and that. Okay, there we go. All right, so what happened here? So apparently plenty of things were happening. All right, just to make sure that we're not crazy, let's go like this. Let's go like this. Console log. Let's see. Length is r.length. Let's do that. There we go. All right, so we still have plenty of length. We still have this. So why do we have this? What is going on there? So let's take this and go t out. I hate my life. Okay, so I think the bug is probably straightforward. I bet you the bug is straightforward. So let's look for this. Let's look for 10, 412, 414. Damn it, I thought those would be it. Oh no, because it can shift things around. What am I missing here? We have plenty of length, but do we have the girth? It's the index you were removing. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, so hold on. What am I missing here? Let's just look at this again. Okay, this should be pretty straightforward. Head, node, index number. Okay. It equals the head. Let's remove the index. Oh, do we get a... No, we're not at 0. We get this thing. Node equals node next.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I'm trying to think of why this is. Why are you bad at programming? You need to update the head? No, because you don't need to update the head, right? I don't need to update the head. Ooh, actually, maybe you're right. Maybe that's what's happening. That could actually be what's happening, but I doubt it. You're right. You're right. You're right. That's what's happening. But how? Oh, removing 0. I didn't even see that. Of course. Ah!
Oh, that scared me.
You son of a bitch. Oh my goodness. Why are you being this way? All right. And then we gotta go like this. We gotta go like this. Thanks, TypeScript. Hey, thanks, TypeScript. Really cool. Hey, thanks,
Welcome to
TypeScript.
Costco. I
Hey,
love you.
TypeScript, thanks. Really cool. I really appreciate all the things you do. You save me, TypeScript. You're such a saving TypeScript. Oh, TypeScript. Oh, TypeScript. Oh, you save me from myself, TypeScript. Oh, you're so safe. Oh, safe, so safe, TypeScript. TypeScript. How much would it cost for you to make a game? More money than you have. Did people just make Lithium? Sorry, Lithium. I was so in the zone, I actually didn't even hear it. I was so in the zone. I didn't even hear that. Thank you, Melkir. I appreciate that. Tsukinoko. Thank you very much, Lithium. Let's go. Thank you very much. Ialia! Thank you for the brand new Twitch Prime. Okay, it feels good. It feels great. I feel ready. No, I will not put my nose down, Karen. I am too good. Okay. I look down on you, Karen! I don't know what's happening. By the way, does anyone know the name of this song? It's one of the better songs out there. Does using console logs slow down anything? If so, by a lot, yeah, by a ton. Logging is one of the worst things you can do. Turn on screen keys, Daddy. Daddy, turn on screen keys. Daddy. Oh, Daddy. How long have I... Is this my session? Oh, I've been live for an hour? Okay, so there we go. How crazy is this result? Is anyone here surprised on this result? One in the... Here, let's do this. No. Really? With JavaScript? Dude, a bunch of... You know... I swear a bunch of you guys are out there.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I bet you there's a bunch of you in category 1. You're not going to admit it, but we all know you're right here. You watch the video. Now you're like you're just a memory expert, and you're just like, well, actually, you know, did you know about cache locality and one of the problems of linked list? Actually, one of the problems with linked list isn't that it's actually I know for a fact that's what's happening. How about an option stupid enough to understand? Yeah, explain for newcomers. I'll explain. Don't worry. We're gonna wait till we see it. Catman Dev, let's go. Cat Dev man, let's go. You inspire me. Coconut oil head to toe is what I like to be. SL94, thank you very much. All right, I'm gonna tell you what happened.
Welcome to Costco.
I'm glad there's some people surprised. So what did we do right here? What we did is we did two different things. I did an array splice. If you're not familiar with an array splice, it takes an index and how many elements you wish to delete. So I'm deleting one element, which means we have to take our array and shift it all the way down. Now, here's where it gets interesting. We're going to do that with the linked list as well. This will traverse the list and then I'll remove it. Now, let's get a little bit more interesting. Are you ready to get a little bit more interesting? We're going to go like this. Test, only first half, right? So we're going to do this, except for we're going to go like this. Divide by 2, math.floor, array divide by 2, and then here's the best part. Are you ready for this one? Then we're going to go r length, minus, minus, and we're going to do the exact same thing down here. So we only are removing from the first half, which means that the array always has to remove more than the linked list has to walk. Do you see what I'm saying here? You see what I'm saying here? Does that make sense? You see what's happening here? Bro, don't bro, don't do that. You give it the old shifty. Okay, Brody, bro. Okay, you cast that into a 32-bit sign integer, and you do that. You do that right now, bro. Okay, let's check out this one. Dominated. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. Whoopsies. Oh my goodness, look at that. I actually did a 2 here and a 1 here. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go like that. Oh my goodness! Here, quarter. There we go. Get wrecked. Oh, I should have probably put some, like, things in here, huh? All right, here we go. Hold on. That's not what I wanted. All right, get the hell out of here. All right, so let's see. At 1,000, it doesn't really matter. Okay, too close to know anything's going on here. At 10,000, it looks like there is a transfer point right here, right around. Okay, at 3, at 1/8, you start seeing it. Maybe we could say maybe at 1/8. All right, at this one, we see it at 1/8 as well. So if you only are removing from the front 1/8 or more, a linked list starts winning. Kind of weird, huh? Okay, so what are we doing? What are we doing right here? So effectively, what we're doing is we created a linked list L node, and we create a little node right here. We do a cut. Cut traverses to the node in question and then removes it from there. Then returns the head, because if you happen to pass in an index of 0, you need to know your new head position, right? So pretty straightforward. Create data obviously goes in here, and it just creates both my list and my array, right? So pretty straightforward. Get random gets a random number based off the max that you provide. Test will simply pass in something and then only select a certain amount of the list to shift from the entire list, half the list, a quarter of the list, eighth of the list, 16th of the list, and so forth. All right? And so at about a 16th of the list, or at an eighth of the list, is where things start to kind of get close to each other, right? But after a 16th of the list is where we start truly losing. We could use the same one. It's only relevant. It's not actually all that relevant, to tell you the truth. Right? You may think it's actually all relevant, but it's not. But we can do that. Const indices equals. Let's go like this. Let's see if they get this thing right. Let's go like this. We're going to do that. We're going to have a fill. We're going to have a map. No one likes fill. Fill's always kind of a son of a bitch anyways. We're going to go I. There we go. This is our index. We're going to get array length. We're going to go array length minus I. Shift this much. There we go. We don't want to sort. There we go. Does that look about correct? There we go. Okay. Okay, then. Okay. Well, F you too. Okay there, buddy guy. Indices I. There we go. Does that make sense? Are you feeling better now? You feeling better now, guy? You feeling better now, guy? Oh, it's just cheating. We're just cheating. As you can see, at about 1/8, we start not doing as well. At a 16th, we lose. You're right. It's a better, more concise test because we removed the same thing each time, but it doesn't really matter, right? It amortizes itself. Array splice uses the CPU caches heavily. Exactly. That's what makes it so good. That's why you would use it. Lana Lux, thank you, Lana Lux. Let's go, Lana Lux. Let's go, Lana Lux. Let's go, Lana Lux. Shout out. So if you guys don't know Lana Lux, she's awesome. Okay. Her and I, old school streamers. Hey, Lana. Lana. You coming to TwitchCon this year? Vegas? If you are coming to TwitchCon this year in Vegas, I think we're going to try to rent out a bar and get a bunch of, streamers all involved if you want to be a part of it.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
That sounds like a blast. It should be good. Streamer bar, yeah. The whole effing bar, yeah. We're going to get a bunch of people. We're going to get Theo, Melky Dev, Trash Dev, Low Level Learning, Bash Bunny, maybe Lana Lux. We're going to get a lot of people in here, okay? We're going to get a lot of them in there. I think Love Abilities is going to join. We might get a whole bunch of other people to join. TJ, I think TJ's coming, maybe. Casey doesn't really stream on Twitch, so he's not going to do it. Dax, I'm not sure if he's coming to TwitchCon, but if he is, he'll be a part of it. Milk Bar, absolutely. Let me know the details, absolutely. For people coming from Atlanta, I missed a show and tell part. Did you submit your show and tell? Did I just post the chat? I missed it. I don't know what you're talking about, Cozy Orchards. Okay, cozy. I'm not feeling very cozy with that comment. Bjorn? Yeah, we were talking about Bjorn for a second. I've never seen a GC function, I assume. Yeah, it is. It's doing manual GC. The reason why I'm doing manual GC is that as we change the size and we create a bunch of garbage, I want to be able to control for the fact that I don't want GC running right here, right? I don't want GC running right here. So I'm forcing GC to happen after we make a bunch of memory orphaning, right? We create a bunch of orphans and we need to kill those orphans, okay? Welcome, Lana Lux Raiders. I hope you're excited. Hey, Try, thank you very much for this. I appreciate that. And get to Cherno there. Thank you. Kill all the orphans. That's what I just said. Hey, Brian, too bad you weren't in TwitchCon EU. I love meeting you. Yeah,
I love you.
I'm not big enough to get invited to TwitchCon EU. Okay? Thank you. Hey, Mark, thank you very much for that. I appreciate that, okay? Get Cherno. Many appreciations. You know what I mean? Try is a currency. I noticed that. All right. So with that being done, I hate to do this to you guys, but I'm done. You know what I mean? I'm done. I like this new chat thing. Streamers get to see each. No, I like it too because I get to know that you're from Atlanta. I watched your video on how to learn a new language. I like the idea of working through Advent of Code, though I could find, let's see, that you quite a thorough, deeper understanding of the language you use on stream, which you won't be the result of doing AOC. Yeah, that's how do you think I did Rust? I learned Rust on stream. All my Rust skills are almost exclusively me streaming on or learning on stream. That's it. Primeagen, I have a reference to previous note. You basically use a doubly linked list. You should have a tail pointers. So doubly linked list would be more performant. No, I don't know what you're trying to say to me. Why did we need a tail pointer? In this case, we're moving only from the front-ish. Are you going to rewrite Harpoon and Rust? No. Does value with bigger memory footprint change as well? I'm not sure what that means. Are arrays faster than linked lists now? Well, it just depends on how you use them, right? There's like this whole thing that happens that is really amazing. Do you have OCaml planned? I do want to do OCaml. The problem is front-end masters, I don't think they want to do an OCaml course. They will do HTMX first looks. They're actually, get this, they want me to do an HTMX first look, and then they want me to not only make it, but they said that they will edit it and create it and then put it on my YouTube channel. Pretty sweet, right? The educational channel. Educational. Linked list is very useful for creating stacks. FIFOs also when you don't want to have dynamically growable array. So let's, hey, you know what? Let's take that to the test really quickly. Let's take that to the test, okay? I don't want to take it to the test. We'll take it to the test in a little bit, okay? We'll take it to the test in a little bit. Not right now. Coding tutorial. I don't want to do coding tutorials, but I will do an HTMX thing. Is this the guy who works at Netflix? Hey, by the way, FYI, I work at Netflix. By the way, Warren Buffering, do you want to come on stream?
Welcome to Costco.
Zix, thank you.
I love you.
Appreciate the Twitch Prime. Zix, do you want to, or Zix, Warren Buffering, do you want to come on stream and react to an article with me? Hamster Fisk, FIFO and a ring buffer is good, though. If Warren Buffering's out there. Okay, who shall we raid? Who shall we raid? Oh, man, she's giving the singing face. Do you see that? That's some serious singing face right going on. Look at that. Serious. Have you asked about Zoren Music? Raid her today? Zoren Music? I don't know Zoren Music. This person right here? We can do Zoren Music. Let's go. Zoren Music. Let's go. Let's do some music, people. I actually really like the music streams. I like music streams because often there's really amazing singers, and I just like to see piano, singing, violin. Isn't it, whom shall we raid? Isn't it, guess what, you're going to get banned? Raid in progress. Hey, thank you. The one yesterday was super pog. Yeah. Oh, are you talking about Pika? You talking about Pika?
Tags like,
whom shall thine raiding ass find? Pika's awesome. I haven't really seen much of Pika, but everything I've seen from Jesu and Pika has been awesome.